unexpected twist to the story. 3. GMC Sierra C1500, 1996. Under the hood, this truck keeps things simple yet effective, relying on a proven setup that delivers consistent performance without unnecessary complexity. Power comes from a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing around 255 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes about 8 seconds, while the top speed sits near 105 miles per hour, focusing more on steady performance than outright speed. From the outside, the design is clean and functional, with a solid stance, simple body lines, and a front-end look that feels both classic and durable. It doesn't try to be flashy, but its straightforward styling gives it a timeless presence on the road. Weighing approximately 4,400 pounds, it feels balanced for a full-size pickup, offering a stable and controlled ride. The weight works well with its torque delivery, giving it a smooth and confident driving experience rather than an aggressive one. Step inside, and the interior reflects mid-90s practicality, featuring comfortable seating, an easy-to-use dashboard, and a layout built for everyday usability. It's not performance-focused, but it provides a relaxed and dependable driving environment. The overall experience is about reliability, strength, and simplicity, making it a solid example of a truck that quietly delivers where it matters. And while this one keeps things grounded, the next truck on the list leans more toward a unique and unexpected performance approach. 2. Chevrolet K15 100 Silverado, 1995. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that reflects mid-90s practicality with a touch of comfort, featuring wide bench seating, a straightforward dashboard, and controls that feel intuitive and durable. From the outside, it presents a clean yet rugged design with solid body lines, a confident stance, and chrome accents that give it a classic American truck identity. It looks built for work, yet still carries enough style to stand out on the road without trying too hard. Under the hood sits a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing around 255 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 4x4 system, it delivers dependable traction across different conditions. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds and has a top speed close to 105 miles per hour, focusing more on steady power delivery than outright performance. Weighing approximately 4,500 pounds, it feels stable and composed, with a driving character that emphasizes control and durability. The balance between its weight and torque gives it a smooth pull, especially when carrying load or driving on uneven terrain. 1. Ford F-150XLT, 1992. Weighing close to 4,300 pounds, this truck carries a solid and dependable feel that reflects exactly what early 90s full-size pickups were built for. The 1992 Ford F-150XLT wasn't designed to dominate performance charts, but in the right configuration, it delivered a strong and confident driving experience that still earns respect today. From the outside, it shows off a classic boxy design with clean lines, a bold front grille, and chrome details that give it a timeless presence. It doesn't try to look aggressive, yet its stance and proportions naturally command attention on the road. Under the hood sits a 5.8-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing around 210 horsepower and 315 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels, offering a traditional truck feel with steady acceleration. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9 seconds. Step inside and the interior offers a comfortable and practical layout, featuring supportive seating, a simple dashboard, and easy-to-use controls. The XLT trim adds a bit more refinement compared to base models, making it suitable for both daily driving and long hauls. The driving experience feels smooth